you ready to unlock your trading potential? Today we'll explore the fascinating world of RSI, or Relative Strength Index. RSI is a powerful momentum oscillator. It helps traders identify overbought or oversold conditions. Understanding RSI can vastly improve your trading strategies. Let's break it down step by step. First, the basics. RSI measures price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100 and is plotted on a chart. Traditionally, an RSI above 70 indicates overbought conditions. Conversely, an RSI below 30 suggests oversold conditions. Now, how do we use the RSI indicator? Step 1 is to add RSI to your trading chart. Find the indicator section of your trading platform like tradingview.com or on your brokerage account. Select RSI and apply it to your preferred time frame. Next, observe the RSI line's movement. Look for peaks above 70 and troughs below 30. Step 3 is to look for divergence. Divergence happens when price moves differ from RSI. If price is rising but RSI is falling, it's a bearish signal. Conversely, if price is dropping while RSI rises, it's bullish. Let's dive deeper into these concepts with an example. Imagine a stock you've been tracking. You notice its price hit a peak and RSI is at 75. This signals that it might be overbought. As a result, you may decide to sell or short sell. On the flip side, suppose a stock's price drops. The RSI shows a value of 25. This indicates an oversold condition. You might consider buying, expecting a potential bounce back. Before you dive into trading, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your risk tolerance. Every trader has a different comfort level when it comes to taking risks, and knowing yours is vital to establishing a consistent strategy. Analyze how much you are willing to lose on a single trade and set your stop-loss orders accordingly. This will not only protect your capital but also give you the confidence to make better decisions. Remember, trading isn't just about how much you can gain. It's also about how you manage your losses. The next step is to integrate your RSI analysis with other technical indicators. For instance, combining RSI with moving averages can provide additional confirmation for your trading signals. When the RSI aligns with your moving average strategy, it enhances the strength of your trade decision. Additionally, always remember to consider market trends. Being aware of the broader market context can give you an edge. As you continue experimenting with these tools, you'll find your own rhythm and develop a unique trading style that fits your approach. Incorporating RSI into your trading routine can lead to exceptional insights. Start by practicing on a paper trading before committing real capital. This way, you can get familiar with how RSI responds to different market situations without the pressure of financial loss. Use RSI as a guideline rather than an absolute rule. Optimal trading often requires balancing multiple indicators and techniques. Don't forget to analyze historical data to see how RSI has performed under similar conditions. Consistently reviewing your trades, both successful and unsuccessful, will help refine your strategies over time and bolster your trading confidence. Embrace the learning process, and soon you'll notice improvements in your trading performance and decision-making skills. Now that you have a solid foundation, let's explore some real-world scenarios. Imagine tracking a stock that you've researched thoroughly, observing its price movements day by day. As you analyze the charts, focus on periods when the RSI approaches those critical levels of 70 and 30. When you see a price spike accompanied by an RSI above 70, it could signal a great time to lock in profits, while an RSI falling below 30 might hint at an imminent rebound. These conditions tell you not only when to enter or exit, but also shape your overall trading strategy and mindset. Start incorporating these insights into your daily trading activities. Today, we'll discuss practical ways to implement these strategies effectively. Are you prepared to elevate your trading game by mastering these techniques? Your journey to becoming a proficient trader starts now, equipped with the essential tools and insights of RSI. Continuous learning and practice will propel you toward achieving your trading goals, transforming phenomena like RSI from mere concepts into integral components of your strategy. Remember, persistence and adaptability are key as you navigate the ever-evolving market landscape.